Hi, I'm Eli, and I make games. I had some free time during mid-January, yes, this is coming out in February, and, I thought I'd do a game jam, which is a game-making competition of sorts. By free time, I mean I got quarantined, thanks COVID, but I figured I would try one. The jam was the Indie Teams Jam. The theme was dropped, just so you know. Firstly, I would like to acknowledge the fact that originally I was doing this in a team. I was the audio designer and I was making music for another game. Ultimately, that did fail due to time zones. I live in North America, The other guy lived in Brazil. The other guy lived in China. It didn't work. I did make 2 songs process. One did get put in the game. Point is, I had 2 days left to make a game out of a week. Wow. So when I split off to make my own theme with the theme drop, my idea was that you drop little robots onto conveyor belts and you have to give them a box. Pretty simple, not too crazy, but first I had to make a drag and drop system. I did not know how to do this. I looked up a tutorial, because what else would I do? So once I had that, I got conveyors working and just all the basic systems together. Then I did level design. Level design is what took up the bulk of the 2-day development cycle. My intentions were to have 10 levels, but I ended up with only 8. I threw together a nice menu and got the name of Conveyor Complications from Acting YT, so thanks. And yeah, I exported the game. I did have some problems with the browser build, but I did get Mac and Linux support this time, which is neat. And yeah, I made a game. Sorry this video's coming out late. There was issues with recording and just I've been busy in general. It's just that kind of school heavy time of year. But that's how it is. But yeah, you can go check out my Discord server. I do polls, we talk about stuff. You want to be more involved, I would definitely go there. You can go check out the game with the link in the description. It did get 2nd place and it got 1st in creativity, which I think is very cool. And yeah, so if you like the video, like it. If you don't, and yeah, subscribe. Peace.